Good afternoon, everybody. We are here in the dining room, and we've been busy. I know we didn't put a video out last week, but that's because I was busy and with the garden and the house, and we've done a lot of work to the house since the last video. Let me turn you guys around so you guys can check it out. So what we did, we put new sill plate over there. I'll throw some footage up so you guys can see that. That one wasn't too bad. We put a new sill plate over here on this side. We put a sill plate and rim joist. That was sill plate and rim joists on all the ones. But over here, we put it over here on this side. This side was a little bit difficult, but we did it. We put new wood in the living room. We took the living room wood and put it in the dining room. We also came in here in the laundry room, put new floor joists in there, all level. And while I was there, I went ahead and scooted the wall over of the hallway. Makes the hallway seem a lot wider, which it is. It's about a foot wider. It really helps. But I rebuilt that wall here. I like the way it turned out. It turned out nice. $16 on center. You still got to take that top plate out there. Our back door is going to be right there where the window's at. And this door here for the laundry room in the hallway is going to be a glass door, so it'll allow light in here, because we are putting a wall right here to close off the kitchen area. Excuse the mess. The dumpster's full, so excuse the mess. Trying not to fall. We still do have that dreadful room to do. And I also, if you guys have been following along, you know that this wall was completely tore down. It was just hanging there. I went ahead and threw some plywood underneath it and went ahead and rebuilt that wall. But it's coming along. It's coming along. I've been busy this week. I've been really pushing on the house to try to get some progress done to it. But it's coming along, and it feels good to have, I would say, 90% of the floors done. I'm happy about that. I'm actually ecstatic about that. But I still have to do that bedroom in there, and then once that's all done, we'll hop on and make sure everything's cleaned up nice, and then we'll put plastic down, vapor barrier, and then start our plumbing. We have cast iron pipe from basically from the bathroom to the septic. I think I'm gonna dig that up because it's right there. I might as well, and just replace all of it, all the new water lines and stuff like that. We'll get all that replaced, and I'll let you guys see that once I'm beginning to do that. But it is going good. I'm happy with, I've said it a couple times, but I'm happy with the progress. There's the wood for the other bedroom. Garden is going good. We got some seed starts over here. These guys are ready to go in the ground. Where are you hiding? Where are you running off to? Doesn't she look sexy with that hat on? Woo! But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.